Looking for the best camera phone for vlogging but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best camera phone for vlogging based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. DJI Osmo Mobile 8 Gimbal Stabilizer. Catching your kid in a perfect skateboarding trick, or capturing the chaos of a family party, that's what this gimbal shines at. It's all about native tracking with audio and lighting, which gives you super sharp, well-lit footage that's a game changer for vloggers and social media enthusiasts. Plus, 360 degrees pen rotation lets you follow your subjects freely, making it perfect for capturing kids or pets in action. I love the direct phone connection for tracking. It's so easy to set up and use on the go. The built-in tripod and selfie stick add even more flexibility, and the ultra-comfortable grip means you can shoot for hours without getting tired. This gimbal is a total winner for anyone who wants to elevate their mobile content creation. Number 4. DJI 6941565997517 Osmo Mobile 7P Gimbal Stabilizer. If you're tired of sacrificing style for stability when capturing life's moments on your phone, this product is here to set you free. It's a one-stop shop for intelligent tracking, advanced audio, and lighting features, all in a compact unit that pairs perfectly with your phone gimbal. This means you can capture smooth, cinema-quality footage with ease, whether you're hiking, dancing, or just hanging out with friends. With 3-axis gimbal stabilization, you'll never have to worry about shaky footage again, and the built-in extension rod and tripod give you the creative freedom to get up close and personal with your subjects. It's quick, it's easy, and it's a total game changer for anyone looking to elevate their mobile filmmaking skills. Number 3. Yeaki Vlogging Kit. This vlogging kit is designed for serious content creators who want professional-grade equipment without breaking the bank. It includes a sturdy camera tripod for stable shots, a flexible tripod for versatile angles, a wireless headset for clear audio, an RGB light for enhanced video quality, and a phone clamp to securely hold your device. The standout feature here is the wireless microphone, delivering crystal clear sound and allowing you to move around freely while recording. The kit also includes an adjustable phone clamp and Bluetooth remote, making it perfect for YouTubers and social media influencers who need to capture high-quality video and audio on the go. Overall, this kit is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their video quality to a professional level. Number 2. HUOMU VK01 Vlogging Kit. If you're used to buying separate components for your vlogging setup, this kit is a game changer. It's a complete package that includes a 54-inch adjustable camera tripod, a 4-level adjustable table tripod, a magnetic wireless microphone set, an RGB fill light, a rotating phone clip, a wireless remote control, a user manual, and a Type-C charging cable, all in one. The standout feature here is the magnetic wireless microphone, which offers effortless operation for mobile recording and is compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. This kit is perfect for YouTube and TikTok creators who want to streamline their setup and reduce clutter. With its intuitive interface, easy mic direction adjustment, and durable furry windscreens and foam covers, this microphone is a must-have for interviews, podcasts, live streams, and outdoor vlogs. The 54-inch extendable camera tripod is also a great addition, offering flexible setup and storage options. Overall, this kit is a comprehensive solution that will take your vlogging to the next level. Number 1. Crxythmenon HJD054K Vlogging Camera. Are you tired of sacrificing quality for convenience in your vlogging setup? This ultra-lightweight pocket camera flips that script, delivering 4K capabilities and 75-megapixel photos that preserve every detail with crisp clarity. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or subtle facial expressions, it's the perfect companion for anyone documenting their daily life. The smart selfie feature with 330 degrees auto face tracking is a total game changer, keeping you sharply in focus even in the most chaotic scenes. And with instant Wi-Fi pairing, sharing your footage directly to social media is a breeze, no cables, no waiting. For creators who crave flexibility and versatility in their content camera, this all-in-one powerhouse is a must-have. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.